Hey guys, we have a classic cocktail today. This is going to be the Luscious Lemon Drop. So, we're going to need a couple of things. We're going to be shaking this cocktail. So, we need our shaker tins, we need our jigger, lemon juice. It is going to be fresh, darn it. So, we are going to be using our Hawthorne strainer and our mesh strainer because of that fresh lemon juice. So, don't forget, the ingredient list is listed down below. Let's make the cocktail together, guys. This one, we're going to start off with our beautiful, fresh, squeezed lemon juice. We are going to do 0.75 ounces of our lemon juice, 0.25 ounces of our simple syrup, 0.5 ounces of our orange liqueur, and then we're going to do a full ounce of your favorite vodka. Now, I will say I've tried this a couple different ways. You could use a vanilla vodka or a whipped vodka if you want to give it a little bit more of a creamy flavor, but today we're just going to do our standard regular vodka. And again, guys, it's shaken. We want to make sure we've got plenty of ice going all the way to the top of our tin. If I can get my ice to cooperate with me. And again, guys, if you enjoy the content, if you like making the cocktails with me, or even if you just like seeing my beautiful face every day, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you want to see in the comments. If you want to do other cocktails or if there's something that you're really itching to make, but you're not quite sure how to do it, let me know. I'll try to figure it out and I'll bring it to you in a wonderful video. All right, guys, again, we're going to shake until this is ice cold in our hands. And in case you don't like going to the gym, this is really going to give you a nice arm workout. You may have to alternate arms though, just saying. All right. So we have our beautiful martini glass here, but what we're going to do for this cocktail is we are going to take a lemon wedge and we are going to go all the way around the outside and we are going to get some juice on there because we are going to dip this in sugar. Beautiful sugar rim. And again, we have that fresh lemon juice in there, Hawthorne strainer, mesh strainer over the top of our cocktail. Ugh, I don't know about you guys, but I'm thirsty. Perfection. Now, you could stop here as far as the garnish goes, but I don't know if you guys have figured it out yet if you've been watching my videos, but I'm mildly bougie. So I went ahead and I made myself a lemon twist garnish. It's just not wanting to cooperate with me super well. But we're going to make that. And then we're just going to lay that right on the rim there. And there you go. Your luscious lemon drop is waiting for you. Until the next pour, cheers!